Hi, this is Chef Frank Barrett-Mills, and we're going to discuss the three different types of knives. These are the most important knives to have in your kitchen at any time. We're going to start with, this is the chef's knife. This does about 85% of the work in the kitchen. It is a beautiful knife. It comes in an 8, 10, 12, and 14 inch, and the grip is simple. Some people like the pistol grip. I prefer index finger on the blade, thumb on the blade. Gives you a little more control. This is the standard of the industry, the chef knife. Then we go to the serrated knife. Now the serrated knife, this has an offset blade, so there's a little more room for your hand in cutting. They make a straight also. This is used mainly for bread. It can be used for vegetables that have a hard outside, hard skin, and a soft inside. It will allow you to saw through and make a nice cut. It also can be used in some meats. It's a great knife to have. It will stop you from crushing your breads when you try to cut them. And the last is the paring knife. It's used for doing skinning, it's used for trimming, and it's used for artistic trim of vegetables. It can be cut into a mouse or into a snake or whatever, and this is done with the control of a small blade, and that is the paring knife. Those are the three blades.